Hello everyone. So now we will be seeing that how is your robot vacuum working for Xiaomi Robot Vacuum S10 and finding out that is it worth buying or not. So now without any further ado, just starting the video and seeing its each and every detailed feature and then coming to a conclusion that is it good choice or not. So as per the specification, the dimension wise it is 350 by 350 by 97 mm. Weight of your robot is 3.8 kgs. 55 watt is your rated power. 14.4 watt is your rated voltage. Talking about its battery life, so it is having 4800 mAh of rated capacity and 5200 mAh as nominal capacity. So it is having a good mAh battery. Other than this, it is taking approximately 6 hours for charging it and approximately 2 hours of runtime after it is charging. But this 2 hours of runtime is for the standard mode option. Charging station, now it is your charging station dimension is 130 by 126 by 93 mm, 4.4 kgs weight with your charging station. Now 100 to 240 volt 50 oblique 60 hertz of frequency and 0.5 ampere rated input is there, and your and talking about its rated output, so it is 19.8 volts to 1 ampere. Now talking about the sensors included in it, so it is having a drop sensor. It will back up if drop is detected at height against typical medium approximately 85 mm in white and 15 mm in black. Coming to the next sensor, which is your ultrasonic sensor, it identifies basically carpets and accordingly it just adjusts its cleaning procedure. Next one is your LDS laser sensor, which basically works on D2M model and image formation. Main work of it is image formation and measurement distance is for white it is 0.15 to 8 meter and black it can go up to 0.15 to 4 meters of detection. So it is basically used for image formation so that it can just use it as an obstacle avoiding application. Whenever some sort of thing come around it, it just detects it and then avoid that path. Now coming to the next one, which is line laser sensor. It is used for small objects detection, which is basically 40 to 400 mm reach is there. It can identify that much small objects, and if it comes in its path, it just avoid it. Now coming to the next sensor, which is AI visual identification sensor, which basically helps in finding certain objects like your table, chairs, and other things, so that it can just memorize it, and then when you do mapping and it if in front of it some sort of that elements come, then it just avoid it and choose the next path. Extended edge sensor, this is the best feature which basically helps in finding out the wall so that it can just change the path as wall come, as well as accordingly it also cleans. Next one is your drive wheel lift sensor, which basically helps in finding the status of your wheel. If it is going off the ground, it just detect it and like cure it from going downwards. Now coming to the air pressure sensor. So this one is helping in finding test for dust collection capacity. Talking about the IMU sensor, so it is basically a motion detection sensor. So acceleration range is from 2g plus minus 2g to plus minus 4g or plus minus 8g and your plus minus 16g. Gyroscope ranges from your plus minus 125 inches per second to plus minus 200 inches per second. So this is basically detecting the motion or the speed, you can say, of your robots, how it will be working. Coming to its package content, so it is having your robot vacuum unit, brush cover, dust compartment 450 ml, water tank for your 200 ml capacity, your water tank, your side brush, your cleaning tools, power cord, two mop pad holder, and your charging dock. Features, so it is having a 3D image capturing and obstacle avoiding. Next thing, it is giving you a suction power of 4000 pascals with 4 modes, and this gives enhanced and effective mopping procedure, precise navigation and proper mapping. Basically this your system is actually giving you best mapping facilities so that you can just save each and every area of your room and your building, and you can just apply it with your vacuum to work over your area. Double layer composition mop pad, so this double layered composition mop pad giving it a double power, which will be actually cleaning each and every corner very clearly. Any dust particles will be more definedly cleared than some other vacuum cleaners which is having a single mop pads in them. Now coming to the limitation portion, so if I say about price, yeah, you can get some different options also in the same variant. Weight wise also it is a little heavier, and there are options which are less heavier than this. Noise, it is creating a little noise. It is depending on person to person that they like, they are okay with it, or they need some lesser noise option. Suction power is good suction power, but other variants are also there which are providing more suction capacities too. This is all about the review for your Xiaomi Robot S12. Now it's your choice that you want this specification to be buyed out for your home or not. Thanks for watching.